had the pleasure to spend a good 15 days with you.
We spoke game.
I feel like दुनिया बड़ी कुत्ती है.
Bottom the Weaver, remember that name. My acting will put Amitabh Bachchan to shame.
I also played a mosquito once. तो मुझे मच्छर बन के बस सबको काटना था.
Wow, कैंटीन में पैसे बढ़ रहे लो, सब आके ले लो.
कपूर खानदान के सब लोग इतने इंटेलिजेंट है क्या?
वो आप उनसे पूछो, मैं अपना बोलती हूँ. I am the more straight faced and more boring Kapoor. अगले महीने देखेंगे.
याकी मेरी फट रही है. मुझे निकालो इससे. मुझे ये वो. She's a Kapoor, but not the one who chased the camera. Instead, she built her own lens on her own terms. A woman who turned her vulnerability into power and her softness into strength. From overcoming personal grief to championing body positivity in an industry obsessed with filters, she's rewriting what it means to be famous. Please welcome the iconic, the deeply real Anshula Kapoor. Welcome to Bunk with Urfi. सब बंक करते हैं, हम debunk कर रहे हैं.
Thank you. और मुझे आइकॉनिक कहने के लिए भी thank you.
You are an icon, man. What are you saying? I have had the pleasure to spend a good 15 days with you. Topta. We didn't really speak much that time, but then we had a good time.
We spoke game.
We spoke only.
But also तुमने अभी बोला सब बंक करते हैं, हम डिबंक करते हैं. हम क्या डिबंक कर रहे हैं भाई?
तुम्हारी लाइफ और क्या debunk करेंगे यहाँ पे? We are here to talk about you. We are going to debunk all the rumors and लोगों के दिल में जो तुम्हारे लिए बातें हैं in your own words. That's what we're going to do.
इस बहाने मुझे मेरे बारे में जो रूमर्स है पता चल जाएंगे.
कुछ तो होंगे, कुछ तो तुम्हें बताओगे. Come on.
तुमने रिसर्च किया है, तुम बता दे रहा.
Need the research, but I want to know from your mouth. What is the weirdest rumor you've heard about yourself?
यार, I've not heard too many rumors about myself. मैं अपना सर I think स्टैंड के अंदर डाल के बैठती हूँ. तो प्लीज रिसर्च करके मुझे बता दो क्या रूमर्स है. And also I think from everybody else, I'm the more straight faced and more boring Kapoor, and I'm okay with that. तो अब तक rumors नहीं है.
So maybe
अगले महीने देखेंगे.
maybe that is a rumor that you're boring because you're not boring at all. Yes, straight face, I can agree. Yeah. Sometimes you just like, people can get, so initially in the show when you entered, everyone was like, what attitude is इसमें? You know it. You didn't know about this. Initially we were like, you know, whatever attitude है. She doesn't talk nicely.
Talk nicely.
Yeah, she's always shouting. We all be like, हाँ यार थोड़ा attitude तो है. Wow. But what do you have to say about that?
Again, yaar, it's okay. People can have opinions. But the more important thing is that now you all know that was a misconception. And I'm not shouting, screaming, hellion with attitude.
But you're not really shouting in the show, chalo off camera jo hua. But you were there in the show, just giving. How was the experience in the show? Let me first ask this. अगर हम traitors की बात कर ही रहे हैं, so let's just finish the traitors.
Ooh, we have gone there.
We are starting from the traitors. How was the experience?
I have never done any kind of reality TV or anything before. So for me, it was when the show came to me, I was like, भाई माफिया खेलने में तो बहुत मजा आता है. यहाँ पे भी मजा आ जाएगा. चलो जाके new experience है. अगर reality TV कुछ करना है, this felt the most non-scripted, non-like झगड़ालू, non-like मसाले से भरा हुआ. It felt like चलो, it's a good one-off experience. So मैंने इसने कह दिया था कि चलो ट्राई करते हैं. But I didn't realize 15 दिन बिना फोन के, बिना आउटसाइड कांटेक्ट के, जो गेम मोड में रहने में जो धज्जियां उड़ने वाली है मेंटल हेल्थ की.
Mental health, yeah. Everyone accusing everyone कि तुम traitor हो.
That negative talk for so long was just, you could see by the 7th and 8th day,
You were done.
I was done. I was like, मुझे please घर भेज दो. मैं और नहीं कर सकती.
By the 8th episode, I could see like she's like done. So I'm like, ठीक है, she's done, whatever. Yeah, I could see. Like maybe you've never done a reality show, so you're not used to that environment.
Yeah, and also like the constant conversation about शक वो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था यार.
पर गेम ही वही था ना कि सब पे शक, सब पे कुछ तो पहले.
हाँ, बट प्रॉब्लम भी होती है कि जब हम दोस्तों के साथ गेम खेलते हैं ना, तो वो 1 घंटे का होता है, 2 घंटे का होता है, फिर वो गेम खत्म हो जाता है. फिर नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशंस होती है, लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं, अपने घर चले जाते हैं, रात को सोने मिलता है चैन से. You're not stuck in game mode for like a
Good
week,
15
10 days.
Yeah, that was great.
So I think that was a good learning experience to be like,
Would you do another reality show like this?
I'm not sure. I don't know. आई थिंक कॉन्सेप्ट पे डिपेंड करेगा एंड ये तो मतलब कैप्टिव रियलिटी था जिसमें इतनी सीक्रेसी वगैरह थी. आई थिंक ऐसे मुझे दोबारा नहीं करना बिकॉज एंग्जाइटी वैसे मेरी काफ़ी हाई होती है, इससे और हाई हो गई थी.
You didn't look anxious at all, if I can be honest.
I'm like I have this ability to be very cool and composed on the outside. अंदर से मेरी फट रही होती है, लेकिन मैं बाहर से अब
Well, you don't show it, yeah. And I was just showing it. या कि मेरी फट रही है, मुझे निकालो इस गेम से, या मुझे ये वो. So I was just showing it a lot.
मुझे निकालो इस गेम से, तो कभी नहीं कहा था आपने.
नो, वीडीज में जाके बहुत बोला है कि मुझे निकालो, फिर बाहर आके आई वाज लाइक नहीं मुझे जीतना है, मुझे जीतना है, मुझे जीतना है, मुझे मिशन पे भेजो, मुझे मिशन पे. आई नेवर सेड मुझे जीतना है, जस्ट सेड कि मिशन करना है, गेम करना है. जीतना आई नेवर यूज्ड, क्योंकि मुझे लगा था अगर जीतना बोल दूंगी इनको सबकी नजर पड़ जाएगी कि इसकी नजर ट्रॉफी पे है, इसको पहले निकालो.
जन्नत और जन्नत में और तुम एक ब्रेकफास्ट में हम बात कर रहे थे. आई थिंक ये बोथ ऑफ यू गाइस वर लाइक अभी अगर यहाँ तक पहुंच गए तो एंड तक तो पहुंचना चाहिए ना. आई वाज लाइक बॉस, कमाल की स्टैमिना है इनकी, मुझसे ना हो पाए.
See, I do reality shows for a living. So अगर मैं वही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ अच्छे से, so फिर तो क्या ही किया मेरे लाइफ में. I felt कि this was on my profession. I have some photographs of you, so you have to tell me what's going on in these photographs. I can see what's going on in the first photograph for sure.
हम पुणे जा रहे थे, बॉम्बे टू पुणे रोड ट्रिप था एंड वी स्टॉप्ड एट वन ऑफ दोस प्लेसेस ऑन द हाईवे जहाँ पे वड़ा पाव, उसल, मिसल, साबूदाना, पकोड़े वगैरह सब मिलती है. एंड दिस वाज राइट बिफोर मानसून.
I also love pakoda.
हाई पिट स्टॉप तो करना जरूरी है.
How's your relationship with food now? Because I know you started your health journey on Instagram. So how is it now?
I have battled binge eating in terms of emotional eating almost my entire life. So my relationship with food now is it's better, but I still have to remind myself that just because I have one bad meal, it doesn't mean that I have to punish myself. And just because I've had one bad meal doesn't mean कि उसके बाद के सारे meals भी cheat meals type होने चाहिए. But it gets a little bit difficult. My relationship with food is definitely better today than it was say like during COVID, like 5 years, 6 years ago. But it's not perfect. And this has been one of my biggest learning curves or unlearning curves. मतलब जैसे भी देखना है कि food is not a punishment, but food is also not a cheat.
I also had recently, I think I developed 3-4 years पहले body dysmorphia. Like I was starving. मेरा उल्टा था. I stopped eating. I just wanted to be this really skinny person, like extremely skinny. So I just stopped eating. I would eat 3-4 chicken pieces a day and not even walk out and just be like, and run.
How did you have the energy?
Mentally, I was fucked. I was always cranky. मेरा दिमाग खराब रहता था. मुझसे कोई बात करे, मैं क्यों मुझसे बात कर रहे हो? But now recently I've started going to the gym. I've started lifting weights. I've started eating well, and now I don't care about being skinny. You saw me eating desserts every day.
No. Please. पहले 2 दिन उर्फी सूंघती थी केक को, हलवा को. She'd be like, oh, it smells good. हाँ ठीक है, हो गया, रख दो. थर्ड डे के बाद you were like, सामने ला मुझे सिर्फ मीठा चाहिए.
Stress eating.
हलवा तो मतलब हर रोज खाया तुमने.
रोज जितनी मिठाइयाँ.
But हलवाई वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे थे. I will miss you.
It was amazing. You are somewhere
on a carousel.
Outside India, I could figure this out. So you with your family.
Yeah, with a family. But I used to be very scared of things like roller coasters and like those thrill rides. But ये बच्चों वाली cutesy rides जहाँ पे भी दिख जाए ना, carousel type rides, I would be like, मम्मा मुझे बिठा दो, मुझे यहाँ से कहीं नहीं जाना, मुझे यहीं पे गोल गोल घुमाते जाओ.
Good memories. Oh, this is cute. How old were you here?
This is my birthday party. यहीं पे जुहू में थी, आर्मी क्लब में थी. I think my third or fourth birthday. This is a very like one of the
parents celebrated your birthday like.
Yeah, so my grandfather was in the army, my nana. So we used to have access to the army club while he was alive. We used to go there, hang out करने के लिए भी. And I remember ये उनके पीछे एक lawn हुआ करती थी, तो वहाँ पे birthday party थी with like वो jumping castle and like rides and like all of that. So it was, I remember it being one of those
iconic birthday parties.
Fun birthday parties जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं आए. This was the time I was having difficulty making friends. So yeah, so we had all this prepped and then no kids came. Or like very few kids came.
So it was just you and your cousins and
yeah, and like few of my building friends जो होते हैं like family friends.
तुम्हारे इतने तो cousins हैं, तो अगर पार्टी में कोई नहीं भी आ रहा तो पता है 20 लोग को यहाँ के.
यार ये पार्टी में कोई ना भी आए तो मुझे राइड के लिए वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा ना. मतलब
best part
तो silver lining.
Oh wow, this is interesting. What is happening here?
It was the first ever school play I ever did. शेक्सपियर की प्ले है मिडसमर नाइट्स ड्रीम, उसमें I was playing this character called Nick Bottom the Weaver.
Nick Bottom the Weaver.
Weaver. I'm a man, which is why they painted on a dari for me. And मेरे चश्मे हैं, अभी तो contacts पहनती हूँ, but that time I had like glasses, so I was wearing my normal glasses. And play में Nick Bottom the Weaver becomes a donkey. So in half of the play, I'm this gentleman with the top hat and a
Half
coat.
play or a donkey.
And half the play, I'm wearing a mask of a donkey. भी school play में
वो picture क्यों नहीं है? Why don't we have that picture? Your picture मेरे पास ही नहीं है. I want the donkey picture, यार. That would have been impressive.
मैं ढूंढ के तो मैं भेजूंगी, स्कूल में होगी.
And I also played a mosquito once in a place. So यार मैं मच्छर बनी थी. I don't know. मैं छोटी सी थी, so अभी भी छोटी ही हो. But स्कूल में तो मैं और भी छोटी थी, तो they were like कि मच्छर किसको बनाए? वन छोटा सा, ऐसे बस आके तो मुझे मच्छर बन के बस सबको काटना था.
Yeah, I remember that for some reason, even though it was a Shakespeare play, all of our character introductions were raps.
Raps.
Yeah, so I think I remember what my rap was. It's very embarrassing.
Come on, go for it. Go for it.
Nick Bottom the Weaver, remember that name. My acting will put Amitabh Bachchan to shame. Really have perfected every part. Who needs other actors? I can play every part.
And still you didn't choose acting. Why? You did so well. इसके बाद तुम्हें क्या हुआ? तुम्हें
यार लिटरली इसके बाद मुझे डोंकी बना दिया था सेम प्ले के अंदर, तो क्लियरली आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग वेल.
So you decided कि अब मुझे एक्टिंग करनी ही नहीं है.
मुझे कभी एक्टिंग करनी नहीं थी, वैसे कुछ नहीं था. नहीं तो मैंने ये 9th स्टैंडर्ड थी, मॉम ने मुझे बोला था स्कूल में थिएटर एक सब्जेक्ट था. शी वाज लाइक टेक इट बिकॉज 6th-7th स्टैंडर्ड में वो एलिक्यूशन वगैरह जो होती है स्कूल में, जो मतलब स्टेज पे जाके कुछ ना कुछ बोलना पड़ता है. 2-3 दफे मैंने किया था, इतना सॉलिड स्टेज फाइट हुआ करता था. आई वुड गो अप ऑन स्टेज एंड आई वुड फ्रीज, लाइक आई वुड जस्ट नॉट से अ वर्ड, आई वुड क्राई एंड कम बैक डाउन, लाइक रन डाउन. तो मॉम वाज लाइक थिएटर कर लो, थोड़ा जो स्टेज फ्राइट है शायद
कॉन्फिडेंस,
हाँ शायद वो निकल जाएगा. अगर नहीं निकला तो एटलीस्ट यू नो दैट इन अ सिक्योर सेटिंग यू ट्राइड इट.
बस निकला थोड़ा स्टेज फ्राइट है.
मतलब I can speak in front of you, the camera.
Yeah, you speak very well. You're probably one of the most well-spoken person I have met. You go on podcasts, you keep your views in a very clear way. You know what to say, and you're very confident, honestly. I would say that. When it comes to even expressing your views.
So I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that school में as a subject मैंने 4 साल theater किया था.
That helped a lot.
That helps a lot because it helps you get that confidence of not only speaking in front of people, but even being confident enough to present your views in a way that you're not scared to talk it on.
I had initially problems with that. Like I was a people pleaser, so I was like, अच्छा ये, oh yeah.
मैं भी तो बहुत बड़ी people pleaser.
Yeah, same. I used to change my views कि अच्छा ऐसे, oh yeah, you're right. हाँ ये तो है ही ऐसे. But then I used to be like, यार मैं तो ऐसा नहीं सोचती थी इसके बारे में. And then ठीक है, people pleasing is something which is, but why were you a people pleaser?
I was a people pleaser because I don't like confrontation. मुझे झगड़े वगड़े बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. मैं अपने शेल में घुस जाती हूँ अगर बहुत सारा एनिमोसिटी. यू मस्ट हैव सीन ऑन द शो आल्सो.
That's why I'm saying, and you did traitors.
बहुत अगर लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है, आई विल जस्ट डिस्टेंस माई सेल्फ टू बी लाइक भाई ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है, मुझे नहीं करना. I've had to learn how to like do conflict resolution without jumping to extremes. Therapy में बहुत काम किए भाई मैंने ये सब.
That it has helped you a lot.
It has helped me a lot. In fact, after Traitors, I had to start doing therapy a little bit more vigorously because
इतना traitors ने, oh my.
मतलब ऑब्वियसली वो भी हुआ था, तो मैं पता है क्यों अब नहीं मैं बोलूंगी. बट सेकंड रीजन ऑल्सो वाज बिकॉज वी डिडंट हैव आवर फोन्स. तो जब वापस फोन मिले और हर 2 सेकंड में वो बज रहे थे एंड नोटिफिकेशन हो रहे थे, आई वाज जस्ट लाइक मुझसे हैंडल नहीं हो रहा, प्लीज. आई एग्जिटेड ऑल द ग्रुप्स. I used to keep throwing my phone away from me like every few hours. I was like ये बहुत हो रहा है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. ये notifications, constantly people wanting something, constantly having to reply to people जो 15 दिन हम गायब हो गए थे, तो उसके बारे में my anxiety was through the roof.
After when
I came back. And for lots of other reasons also.
Some reasons, yeah. लोग देख भी लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ reasons. It was a tough environment. I've gone to some therapy sessions, but I am usually still confused. Like, I don't know. I don't understand it maybe yet. That it has helped me or not helped me.
I've been in therapy since 2012, right after mom passed away. So
2012.
बहुत साल हो गए. But also it takes you a while to find a therapist that is working for you and your style.
I think that's very important. You find someone who works for you.
Yeah.
I think you get more confused if you're with the wrong therapist.
Yeah. So finding a therapist whose style is something that works for you as opposed to works against you, and finding a therapist you feel safe to talk to things about is the most important. वहीं पे 1.5 साल लोगों को लग जाता है यार कभी कभी, because it's a trial and error, and every time you go to a new therapist you're starting from scratch. तो सेम स्टोरी कितनी दफे कितनों को बोलोगे. लॉट ऑफ पीपल गेट डिस्करेज्ड इवन देयर आफ्टर they've tried 2 therapists and they're like this is not working for me, I don't want to try a third. let's just not do this. I'm fed up of regurgitating the same story again and again.
And you get confused yourself. Like for me, I don't realize it. How is it helping me? मुझे अब तक नहीं समझ आया, if I can be very honest. Maybe I'm in that phase right now.
Yeah, maybe you've not found the best therapist, and
Therapist is good, but I still get confused. Is it helping me? क्या ये तो मैं घर पे भी कर सकती हूँ आईने के सामने बैठ के. I can just give a pep talk to myself like, whoa, what's up? क्या कर रही हो तुम? No, this is not the way you do it. So I just get confused that ways. But you've also overcome body image.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still every day in the mirror when I look at myself, I'm still trying to overcome. आपने body dysmorphia use किया था beginning of this conversation. So for me, I don't know if it's body dysmorphia because yes, of course, I've many times in my life I have gone from putting on weight, losing weight, putting on weight, losing weight. I think I've done this like 4 or 5 times in over 30 years. But for me, every day when I look at myself in the mirror, I have to, यार हम लड़कियां हैं, हमारे hormones हमें एक दिन bloat करेंगे, दूसरे दिन हम ठीक रहेंगे, दिखेंगे. I have to consciously make that effort to not talk down to myself when I'm brushing my teeth. I'm looking at my face, I'm looking at my reflection. So I feel like body image issue is something that all of us have. It's just how we talk to ourselves when we are looking at our reflection that actually helps you either overcome that or become okay with it.
I read this trick somewhere that when you wake up in the morning, do one thing. If you have any insecurity, use your left hand to brush your teeth and look in the mirror while you're brushing using your left hand. You tell yourself that no, I'm beautiful, my body is perfect, or whatever is your insecurity, and after a month you'll see the difference. You're
Positive affirmation.
Yeah, you're indirectly training your mind that no, you're there. So I also did that a lot.
Around COVID, my therapist has said this to me, that she was like, you're very good at giving advice to people. If somebody comes to you, you have empathy, you have sympathy, you will
I've heard that, by the way.
You'll talk to them very nicely in the way that you'll talk to them that will uplift them. So why can't you talk to yourself like that? Why do you talk to yourself like you hate yourself? So if you're looking at yourself in the mirror, just start talking to that reflection in the mirror as if she's your sister, or she's your friend, or she's somebody who's come to you for help. Why do you have to talk down to her? Why do you have to talk negative to her?
We do that a lot, I feel.
Yeah, and that's, I think something triggered in my mind when she said that, and I was like, भाई सब कुछ try किया है, नहीं हो रहा. Maybe if I talk better to myself and
It might.
if I'm kinder to myself, it might help. First few weeks, I was like, ढोंगी इंसान अपने आप को false praises दे रहे हो and all. After that, it became, okay, shit, no, it's actually helping because now I'm through the day, I'm not negative bashing myself in my own head. I have a little bit more confidence. अगर कोई नई opportunity comes my way, I'm not immediately saying, नहीं नहीं मुझसे कैसे होगा, मुझसे तो नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm giving it
open to it.
I'm much more open to it because I have that faith and confidence in myself because I'm no longer bringing my own self down.
Yeah, and this confidence helped you start your social media journey. When did you start? Like,
I've always had a public Instagram account ever since I joined Instagram. I think when I joined it in 2012, 2013 के आसपास मुझे पता नहीं था कि private Instagram भी हो सकता है. मुझे लगा अपने जैसे Facebook account होता है वो public ही होता था ना तब.
नहीं, Facebook भी private हो सकता था.
मुझे आज पहली दफे बताया गया, but I didn't know that.
You could have a private Facebook account.
Clearly not very social media savvy where privacy is concerned.
You're a Kapoor after all. Come on.
So my profile was always public, and Bhaiya had debuted by that time. He had just about debuted at that time.
2013.
Yeah, he debuted in 2012. I joined that after I graduated. So 2012 के आसपास, 2012-13 के आसपास I joined. He was not on social media. He joined social media much later, like 2014, 2015. Whoever became an admirer of his work, like Ishaq Zadeh, वगैरह वगैरह के बाद, they would somehow find me. And then they would start following me in the hopes that मेरे account से some glimpses of him or some updates about him or the family. So I know that a lot of my followers in the beginning became my followers because I come from, like, I have the privilege of being a Kapoor in that sense. And I'm not going to deny that. I'm not going to sit here and be like, nahi, when I start talking about body positivity, सब लोग आके मुझे follow कर रहे हैं. That was not the case. So what happened was, since I already knew that I have this sort of a semi-public platform, I decided that I can't be two-faced. Like, I can't show a side of myself on social media that I'm not living in reality because it will be very jarring for me. So let me just use this as a reflection of whatever I'm feeling, whatever I'm doing will honestly be there. I'm not going to bada chada ke do anything. And I think eventually it reached a point where I was on my journey with my therapist about being kinder to myself, accepting who I am, figuring out who I am, starting to maybe become healthier, etc. I was trying to look for more role models on social media to follow, to sort of वो inspiration तो हम सब ढूंढते हैं ना सब जगह. And I was finding people abroad who I couldn't really relate much to. So I decided that, bhai, let me just be as honest about my insecurities and my journeys on social media. Because if there is a girl in India or in Bombay, somebody who on any level can relate to me, I want to be able to
Help her.
yeah, or just be somebody that she can come to social media and be like, okay, I'm not alone. This person has
Yeah.
gone through the same feelings as me, and maybe there is a way out of that feeling. So that's
Even when people ask me who's your role model, even I find it very hard to, give a name.
yeah.
I feel like I don't know any girl who I can relate to in India. No, I can't. I really
Well,
can't.
there are a lot of people who now consider you a role model, which is like fantastic.
So हमारा जो सेट है तुम्हें तुम्हारे कॉलेज कैंटीन की याद दिला रहा है कि नहीं, स्कूल कैंटीन की चलो कुछ बंक ही हो गए, यू वर वेरी स्टूडियस.
बंक आई वाज वेरी स्टूडियस. मैं क्लास बंक नहीं करती थी, मैं पूरा का पूरा दिन बंक कर देती थी so that I could study at home, not because I wanted to chill.
You used to bunk so that you could study.
Yeah.
नहीं, bunk as in just कैंटीन में जाके फ्रेंड्स के साथ गप्पे मारना, चिल करना.
अगर लंच टाइम होता था, कैंटीन का टाइम होता था, तो हम कैंटीन में होते थे, वरना हम ओवर अचीवर थे भाई. जब हमने कॉलेज एप्लीकेशन के लिए रेज्यूमे भेजी थी, 3 पेज की रेज्यूमे बन गई थी.
I'm shocked like you didn't bunk, you were not you were very studious.
So, honestly, I would not go to school. Like, there were a lot of times, especially like 10th and 11th standard में, मेरे periods इतने heavy होते थे कि मैं
Okay.
स्कूल जा नहीं पाती थी during my periods, and वो 10-10, 15-15 दिन कभी-कभी आ जाते थे.
10-15
Bro,
दिन.
it was a vibe. I used to follow up with my teachers to be like, what did I miss? What do I have to submit? I would like properly study at home. So then when I realized I'm being a lot more productive, like 12th standard में, when I was like, I'm a lot more productive at home versus in school, I just never went to school unless it was like exam का दिन था या कुछ स्कूल में जाके assessment करनी थी, तो मैं चले
That was all allowed in the.
not at all. तो जब मतलब finals exams वगैरह boards दे दिए, and 2 महीने बाद जब results आ रहे थे, I went to school to get my result, and the head of the program was like, your attendance is less than 40%. We are not going to give you your report card. You have to come for 1 month every like weekend to school and just sit for 8 hours in the library to make up your attendance. My mom was like, भाई ठीक है, तुम हमें मत बताओ इसके क्या marks हुए. You open your computer and you see how has she done. So from her expression, I'll know if she's done well or not, because by that time I'd already got admission in my college in America, because उनको final grades की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. He opened his report, whatever, he saw my name and his expression just went to, oh, मैंने 12th top किया था मेरे स्कूल में.
Wow.
तो फिर उनको कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था but to be like, congratulations, but please at least can you come for like 2 or 3 days to bring up your attendance to maybe like 40-45%. I went 2-3 days. I did like उस लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के टाइम पास किया.
चलो कहीं तो टाइम पास किया.
और तब तक क्या मतलब फर्क क्या पड़ा था? ग्रेजुएशन हो चुकी थी, कॉलेज एडमिशन हो चुका था.
मतलब ही नहीं था.
मतलब नहीं था, बट अगेन पीपल प्लीजर हूँ ना, तो बोरा कि आओ अटेंडेंस लगाओ. मैं गई, मैंने अटेंडेंस लगाया.
So you said you were a people pleaser. So, मतलब, how was your school? Like, were you treated differently in school? And this is why you became a people pleaser, because you were not able to make friends, or what was it?
I've always been an introvert. Like now I think I'm an ambivert maybe, but I've like in school I was an introvert.
Ambivert मतलब
थोड़ा मतलब सेटिंग पे डिपेंड करता है. कभी कभी थोड़ी एक्सट्रोवर्टेडनेस आ जाती है, बट एक्चुअली काफी मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ. मैं काफी लाइक दबी सी हूँ, अपने में रहती हूँ.
But why?
That's my nature. Like I'm very happy and comfortable being just with myself. And बचपन में जब लोगों की मतलब when you start making friends and like long lasting relationships, firstly I didn't have too much confidence in myself. Secondly, I didn't know how to go and make friends. I was not that social as a person. तो वो कभी आदत ही नहीं बनी कि be out there, make plans with people. मैं like my best friend growing up was my mother. I would rather be at home and have dinner with her, or like go out and do something with her, than go to like a club or a party or something like that.
You never did clubbing.
अगर मेरे सबसे close friends की birthday थी तो I would go. I think from the age of 16, जब like people start going to all these places in Bombay, up until 22 when I graduated college, and वो उसके बीच में 4 साल तो मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी. I must have gone to a club in New York once. One of my friends turned 21, उसका 21st birthday था एक club में once. And in Bombay I must have gone, तब तो प्रिवे वगैरह हुआ करते थे बॉम्बे में, क्लब्स के नाम थे. I maybe must have gone like 3 or maybe 4 times. Like I just not.
You're not a party person.
No, look, हाउस पार्टी में बुला दो, मैं मजे से आ जाऊंगी. मुझे
You didn't like going out.
I still don't enjoy going out too much. Like I'll go and I'll do my like basic व्यवहार, hi, hello, congratulations, and then I'll leave as soon as I possibly can क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ पे मजा ही नहीं आता.
But school में ऐसा hate तो नहीं मिला, like I don't know.
My school was not like that. I
The
also
school was okay.
my school was
Chill.
like it was chill school and हम ज्यादा बच्चे भी नहीं थे. मतलब 11th and 12th में हमारी पूरी क्लास की कैपेसिटी सब सेक्शंस को मिला के 70 लोगों से कम थी.
What?
हाँ, and अगर आप दोस्त नहीं हो तो आप enemies भी नहीं थे. You just existed. And also I was a very good student ना. So like I was a teacher's pet. मुझे तो award भी मिला था कि teacher's pet का.
They gave you an award for teacher's pet.
This is not the kind of debunking you thought you were going to do.
हाँ, मुझे हीरोइन मिला था.
नहीं मुझे teacher's pet मिला था and I was very well liked by the teachers also. I was also a very good student. मैं अपना काम हमेशा बराबर से कर लेती थी तो लोग मेरी मदद लेते थे. मतलब
To get the
हाँ chemistry lab report
Yeah,
करना.
wow.
मैं
Love it.
I was a very like studious proper child. तो अगर आपको हेल्प भी चाहिए थी आपकी इंग्लिश होमवर्क में, मैथ्स होमवर्क में, यहाँ पे वहाँ पे, मैं कभी कभी तो आपके लिए कर भी देती आपका होमवर्क. मैं वो इंसान मतलब पता नहीं क्यों पीपल प्लीजर.
Yeah, you were a people pleaser. Now we know it.
Yeah.
चलो ऐसे हमने काफी डिबंक कर लिया है एंड क्योंकि तुमने प्रॉपर्ली बंक नहीं किया है,
आज सिखाओ मुझे.
टुडे आई वांट यू टू बंक इन माय कैंटीन. कुछ तो बंक करें. कुछ अंशुला को हम ये
मजे करते रहे.
कैंटीन एक्सपीरियंस जो है ना तो बहुत बंक किया है अपने लाइफ में. मैं कॉलेज जो 6-7 महीना गई थी मैं कैंटीन में ही बैठी रहती थी, चिल करती रहती थी. मुझे पता ही नहीं क्लासेस दिखती कैसे थी. आई हैव नो आइडिया. सो लेट्स डू सम बंक बैंटर, क्विक फायर.
Let's do it.
Say the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay? Red flag that people call a green flag.
So, you know, sometimes when they'll be like, oh my God, my boyfriend is so protective about me. But actually that protectiveness comes out with, oh, you can't talk to that person. Oh, why are you wearing those clothes? It's not protective. It's more of like control.
Yes.
I feel like वो बहुत ग्रे एरिया है and that's not really a
green flag. No, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मुझे अलाउ करता है ये सब करने का.
That's a red flag. Like you don't need permission to be yourself.
Exactly. I hate it, but कौन समझाए? One thing that made you feel confident.
I don't know.
Come on.
One thing that made me feel confident. My mom used to make me really feel confident and she used to like build me up. So yeah, my family.
Okay, family. Worst thing someone said about your body online.
बहुत मतलब अभी मैं Instagram खोलूंगी तो 1000 किस्म की गालियां होंगी. But the worst thing तो पता नहीं. The most repeated thing is calling me names of animals that are big bodied. तो भैंस हो गया, हाथी हो गया, वो सब काफी.
Elephants are cute, man.
Yeah, man. Like even koalas and pandas, I kind of like them.
Even when someone calls me a bitch, I'm like, is that supposed to be an insult? Are you really kidding me? I don't understand that. One thing we'd want to say to them.
To them?
Online trollers, yeah.
Yeah, I barely pay attention to y'all. यहाँ से आके यहाँ से निकल जाता है. And if I have to read something and it's a little bit mean-hearted, I just go and like get a hug from my brother or my boyfriend and I'm okay.
But what would you say to them? उन कुत्तों को क्या बोलोगे?
क्या तुम्हारे पास मुंह है, तुम्हारे पास ओपिनियन है, जो बोलना है बोल दो. But just because you're saying it doesn't mean it's true. And also, if somebody said that about you, you would not like it. So why must you go as an unknown, faceless person and be mean to somebody else when they've not really done anything to you and they are not really affecting your life in any way?
I would say तुम्हारे पास इंटरनेट है, तुम्हारे पास हाथ है, पर तुम्हारे पास कपूर सरनेम नहीं है. So सदप्पा करते. But I would say, what would you do if you had $5,000? अरे हैं उसके पास $5,000 या क्या है तुम लोग बोल रहे हो? चलो, what would you do if you have $5,000?
$500,000.
Oh, sorry, $500,000. अच्छा चलो अचानक से आ गए. So what would you do? आज मैंने तुम्हें दे दिए.
Thanks, bro.
To my canteen.
Wow, कैंटीन में पैसे बढ़ रहे लो, सब आके ले लो. I would first do some sort of like an investment. तो पता है कि अगले 5 साल में पैसे हैं.
Wow, love it. I would never say investment.
And then I would book the longest holiday I possibly could that would cover maybe like all the countries on my bucket list. All of Australia, like African safaris, जो भी करना है, like Italy का like southern coast, जो भी मतलब मेरे bucket list पे, wish list पे है.
You just do. You'll travel.
10% of money will be used for travel. And yeah, and I would like to also like investment. Just be smart about it. ताकि अगले 5-10 साल काम ना करना पड़े.
I would not be smarter. मैं तो ऐसे पैसे उड़ा दूंगी, फेंकूंगी, बारिश करूंगी. If your love life were a food order, what would it be?
Love life, as in like romantic life.
हाँ यार, और क्या love life?
यार इस वक्त craving हो रही है butter chicken की. So I would be like butter chicken and garlic naan because it's comfort, but it's also like it's rich, it's comfort, but it's also home for me. So yeah,
just like your boyfriend.
Yeah, like he's comfort
and it hits the spot. It hits every time. Yeah.
Every time.
It can't disappoint. Who's the most unhitched person in your DMs right now?
unhinged person. Rohan only, my boyfriend. Like, because of him, my algorithm goes for dogs. Because of the memes he sends me sometimes. His DMs to me are head and tail. Matlab, it is just all over the place.
So if you had to get a tattoo of a celebrity's name, but it can't be Arjun, who would it be? You already have Arjun.
I have Arjun, but I have so many other celebrities in my house. I'll start with Janvi, Khushi, Dad, सबके नाम सब जगह
लगा दूंगा. I think यहाँ पूरा हाथ भर जाएगा. Love it. What's the dumbest reason you've ever cried?
I think 10-12 like इसी महीने कड़ी चावल बनी हुई थी and I like कड़ी चावल for me is like
Emotion.
because it's my mom's favorite thing to eat. मैंने 2 बाइट लिया, बहुत नमक था, फिर मैंने तीसरा बाइट लिया एंड बड़ा अदरक का पीस मेरे मुंह में आ गया. I just started crying. I was like पहले तो नमक ज्यादा है, उसके ऊपर से इतना बड़ा अदरक डाला हुआ है. Like you're ruining this one thing for me and I just started crying.
Oh, yeah, same happened with me. मुझे मटन जला दिया तो मैंने कहा ये क्या है? I was PMSing. I was telling my cook क्यों किया ये रोते रोते क्यों किया? And she is not able to understand it. I was like PMSing.
So I cry for when I'm PMSing. Anything can make me cry. Anything can make me angry.
Yeah, same. So
I'm not a nice person to be around.
it's okay. Boyfriend को संभालना आना चाहिए. रोहन अच्छे से संभाल लेता है. बहुत अच्छे से. तुमने ट्रेन कर दिया रोहन को.
मुझे कुछ ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत बिल्कुल नहीं थी. वो he's a very उसका EQ बहुत हाई है तो वो अपने आप में
You guys seem like really compatible, and you know, like yeah, on the everywhere, even when you talk about him, it's just like you guys are like meant to be. Yeah, I feel that. How did you guys meet?
app.
What? That is amazing.
It was my first day on this app, and he was the second person
Dating
I
app.
spoke to on a dating app, and he was the second person I spoke to. I reached like as in he first reached out to me, and then I sent him a message, and it was like 1 a.m, and I didn't expect him to reply, but he was awake and he replied, and we started talking at 1 a.m. and we stopped talking at 6 a.m. So yeah,
And then you guys just met and deleted the app.
we met. Yeah, I deleted like he went off apps before I went off apps. So apparently because I तो forgot. उसके तो बहुत apps थे. But this was the only app I was on. This was the first like day that I was on it.
How long back?
3 साल तो हो गए.
3 साल.
Yeah, like 22 Jan.
Crazy. 3 years and you met him on an app.
Yeah. So this was the second person.
The
I
app
spoke
should
to on
sponsor a marriage now. Please. No that. हम sponsor करवाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं. App हमारा बहुत ही sponsor. Tinder, Bumble,
No.
Raya.
Coffee meets bagel. No one has heard of it app, which is why it's the best.
Coffee meets
Bagel.
bagel.
Yeah.
I've never heard about it.
An American app, I think it started by 2 girls. And ये America की Shark Tank reject है. मतलब they went to Shark Tank in
I
America.
think I've seen the reel or something like that.
I don't know, but basically it's one of those apps that you're only familiar with if you've studied or worked abroad.
Oh.
And a friend recommended to me and I never...
Works in India?
It works in India. It has... I mean, अब मुझे नहीं पता यार 3 साल से मैं ऐप पे नहीं हूँ मुझे नहीं पता क्या और 3 साल पहले it worked in India and that's where I found him.
Coffee meets bagel. I like it, guys. Coffee meets bagel. We're promoting it for free, but it's okay. अगर हम दो लोगों को ना नहीं जॉब करेंगे. 2 लोगों को मिला रहे हैं अगर हम if it's helping someone, go for it. All for love. Okay, it's time for secret shots. You'll be very excited for this one. Brought to you by Secret Temptations. Here's how it works. So I'll ask you a question. If you don't want to answer it, you need to bring the shot.
ले आओ shot.
हम आ जाएंगे. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So are you ready for your shots? You don't have to drink them if you answer the questions honestly. You don't have to drink them. Come on.
अतरंगी questions होंगे तो मैं तो
बिल्कुल भी अतरंगी नहीं है. बिल्कुल normal है. So
चलो शुरू करते हैं.
reason for your last breakup?
Well, I think you should take this shot because I'm in my first relationship. So
What?
I've never had a breakup.
This is your first relationship? Just because Anshula is insisting.
Wow.
It's okay. I drink neem juice every day. One rumor about you that you wish was true.
There's a rumor going around that apparently I'm very witty with one-liners. You've got the wrong Kapoor. That's Arjun who's witty with one-liners.
Sorry, wrong Kapoor this time. What's the most psycho thing you've done for love? नहीं किया है.
अरे यार.
Psycho. Come on.
So in the beginning of the relationship with Rohan, अगर वो बोलता था ना कि oh like मुझे I want this one thing, like oh like I'm going to go to the market and pick this one thing up, immediately I would be like, why? I'll just send it, and I would send like 24 of them.
Wow.
So
Love it.
like ice cream, vanilla coke, मतलब अतरंगी चीज़ें. He would just be like, I'm going to go to Crawford Market and see if they have this. I'll be like, just
Why?
send. Literally
Yeah,
within 1 hour, somebody would be knocking on his door with like a crate of it.
But that's
so
cute, yeah. That's not psycho. I think
it's
that's very
psycho.
cute.
It's overconsumption. मतलब बंदा एक कितना आइसक्रीम खाएगा यार उसको थोड़ा ना फ्रीजर में जगह है 12 आइसक्रीम रखने के लिए.
But I also do this. Like if बोला oh I would want to have a PlayStation and the next moment I'm sending him a PlayStation. Like shower like every day. Sometimes मैं over कर देती थी, rose flowers भेज रही हूँ.
So like once I think he just said that, like I already love you, like you don't have to buy my love. I was like, oh shit, ये तो deep हो गया.
Even I buy love. I hope it's working.
Not buying love.
If someone made a fake Insta account just to stalk you, who do you think it is?
Oh my god, firstly I'm going to feel really like important that somebody needs a fake Insta to
Maybe
stalk
Rohan's
me.
ex.
Rohan doesn't have an ex, I'm his first
What?
relationship.
His also? Oh my god, that is crazy. Okay. Wow. So you drink a shot क्योंकि कोई नहीं है.
Just because कोई नहीं है उसका मतलब है ना कि I should drink a shot. So you want me to do a shot?
नहीं. This was an answer. So no. A secret you've never told your parents.
पापा को बहुत secrets नहीं बताया. Dad, I have not shared much secrets with. Mom, all full open book.
Something. One thing, otherwise the shot is there.
I'll just do a shot because I can't remember what I would like to tell Dad that I haven't told him yet.
So अभी डैड को नहीं बताना है. Sorry uncle. It's not that bad. It's okay. What's a secret habit that not a lot of people know about?
I own 3 label makers. I am obsessed with organizing, categorizing and labeling things. We a drawer of belts. वो drawer के बाहर लिखा होगा belts. There'll be like I have these plastic stacks that I use for all my lipsticks. They'll be segregated color wise and बाहर लिखा होगा browns, reds, deep reds, light pink, deep pink.
मेरा तो हर चीज एक ही ड्रॉअर में घुसी पड़ी है, उसमें तुम्हें पता नहीं क्या मिल जाएगा.
I'm very like I have a thing about organization and about labeling things so that everything like is categorized properly.
And you अच्छी बात है. You find things on the right time. मैं last moment में ये कहाँ चला गया, वो कहाँ चला गया.
So I think I guess this is a secret.
This is interesting. When was the last time you drunk texted someone?
मेरी बहुत अजीब हैबिट है. मैं एंड फ्रॉम कॉलेज आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. मैं जब न्यूयॉर्क में थी एंड भैया बॉम्बे में हुआ करते थे. टाइम डिफरेंस की मतलब ऐसी की तैसी. एवरी टाइम आई एम ड्रंक आई जस्ट टेक्स्ट माई ब्रदर.
Wow, amazing. कितना safe है ये.
Every single time I am drunk.
What do you text him usually?
It'll start with I miss you, I love you, or like if there's something that I was too phattu to say when I was sober, I'll text it.
Crazy, क्योंकि ex था ही नहीं कभी तो उसको ये सब text कर ही नहीं सकते हो.
So like when I'm drunk, I get very like sappy, emotional. तो मुझे सब में बस प्रेम बांटना होता है. I'll just message people. If I've not spoken to you in a while, I'll message you saying I love you, and then if you know me well enough, you'll be like, "Were you drinking?" I'll be like, "Yeah."
That's why. That is why.
Like the first time I said I love you to Rohan, also I was drunk.
Did he say it back?
No, because I was drunk. He was like, "I'm not saying it back when you're drunk."
No, it's okay. It's cute.
तो उसने नहीं बोला.
तो चलो बाद में तो बोल दिया.
बाद में बोला.
Good. Now you guys drunk text each other or not?
Yeah. I don't get drunk as much. I don't drink so much, so often. But he drunk texts me all the time. It's very cute.
So cute. Name a celebrity crush you had growing up.
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
He was hot. Yeah.
First celebrity crush.
Thank God you didn't ask mine. Reason for
I
your
know. We are not going there.
no. Reason for your last breakup. ये तो हो
Not
चुका है.
had a breakup,
हो
guys.
चुका है. We are done with shots actually और तुमने सिर्फ एक पिया. Amazing. You answered everything.
Yay!
This is it for secret shots. Let's get back to our thing now. If little Anshula saw you now, what do you think she'd say? It's a very interesting question.
I think she'll just, I feel like she'll thank me for not giving up on her. I think she'll also thank me for coming into my own. And I feel like she would be proud of the
Person that you've become now.
the girl that I am, or the woman that I am becoming. I'm still sort of like on that journey. But I think most importantly, she would just be proud of the fact that through grief, through everything, when I genuinely didn't feel like I had another breath left in me, I didn't give up on her. I didn't give up on me. I didn't give up on life. I think she would just be proud of the fact that I have that fire, because I don't think that little girl had any faith in herself that she had that kind of spunk or fire in her, because she was just so underconfident in her self and her ability to just be. Because through my teenage years until my early 20s, till mom passed away, I was 21, my mom was my backbone. I didn't think I had a backbone without her. So I think the little girl would just be proud that I found the strength for my own backbone.
Without her being there, but you still kept going on. I think that answer would inspire a lot of girls, honestly, who are maybe going through a loss or who were just underconfident, who just want to give up. Do you think softness is a strength or a liability?
Softness,
Yeah.
definitely it's a strength, because being soft is what? Like being malleable, right? It's a strength.
No idea what is value.
Malleable matlab, you don't break, but you can bend. Like you can be made into different shapes.
You adapt.
You adapt. So if you're soft, you are better able to adapt to situations. You're better able to combat things. Like if you sit on a soft sponge or a chair, it'll compress, but it'll also come back up. It won't lose its shape or its ability to lay itself. I feel softness is definitely a strength, and I don't. Softness also, if you look at the other ways, also it means compassion. It means being empathetic. It also means being maybe kind to other people, right?
Yeah.
Those are strengths.
I would say otherwise. I feel like दुनिया बड़ी कुत्ती है, थोड़ा hard बनना पड़ता है, but definitely softness is important, and not everyone functions like me. That's what I've learned.
But also there are certain circumstances in which being soft may not
People take advantage
yeah
of you.
be taken
Yeah.
advantage of. But I feel also it's personal.
What would your 2 a.m. voice note to your future self would sound like? Now,
Oh my god.
future self, dear future Anshula,
Dear future Anshula, please hydrate.
please पानी पियो, पानी पियो,
Pani piyo, please.
वरना
pani
पेट
piyo.
खराब होता रहेगा.
2 a.m. voice note to my future self.
Drunk voice notes. पानी पी
Drunk,
कुत्ती,
so-
पानी पी.
Pani to peete rehna chahiye, but no, apart from that, I think it'll just be keep being kind to yourself. You've started this badi mushkil se, don't stop doing it. You have people in your corner. Realize it. You are not alone. You don't have to be alone. Log hai, logo ko saath leke aage badhna hai. And it's okay to be vulnerable. Just because you're vulnerable doesn't mean that you're not strong. And just because sometimes your body or your mind requires a rest day does not mean you're lazy. I hope you remember this. If nobody is reminding you of this is me telling you in the future.
Yeah, you can't be strong, or you can't give you 100% every day.
Every time.
Sometimes, some days it will be 30, 20, just be there. Some days it will be 0 also.
And I think हम सब में वो somewhere back of the mind we always feel ना कि अगर if we take a day off, if we like take one day where we're not doing anything, we're losing out, or like
missing
we're
out.
being lazy, or like we're not like this is not how it is. Hustle culture है ना.
मेरे अंदर तो बहुत ज़्यादा I feel so bad that I've
And
taken
I
a
feel
break.
guilty that I've taken one day off, you know.
Same. I've taken some break away recently, so I just feel so guilty for taking this break. I'm like, क्या किया मैं?
No, matlab everybody needs a break, yaar. How do you like? You can't fill a tank which is empty without it have like you have to stop the car, fill the tank, and then continue. So you have to stop.
अभी लेकिन गाड़ी चलेगी, अब गाड़ी चलेगी, अब टैंक थोड़ा रिफिल हो चुका है.
So, dear future self, please note, पानी पीते रहना. Breaks are good for you. लोगों के साथ रहना है, लोगों को साथ लेकर चलना है.
Good. Dating while being a public figure, easy or exhausting?
Bhai, I've never been any other kind of figure, so I wouldn't know any other way. I'm okay. And I didn't do too much of dating, as you know. This is
Yeah, but was it difficult because you're a public figure and he's
No,
not?
he didn't know much about me, like, and he took a conscious decision when he figured out that I'm sort of like he could Google me in that sense. He took a conscious decision for the first 4 months of our relationship. He never Googled me. And
That
till
he
date, his
shouldn't,
friends
honestly.
don't believe him, but like he never Googled me.
That's a good thing to do.
So yeah, like so for me it was not hard.
Because you have the right partner maybe, and
Yeah,
he
maybe.
made it very easy
I
for
lucked
you.
out.
Yeah, you lucked out, honestly. What's the biggest misconception people have about you because of your surname?
I don't know if it's because of my surname or not, but like even you mentioned this, sometimes I come across as I'm
Yeah,
not,
not because of your surname.
but sometimes I do come across as I'm not approachable.
Yeah,
That I have like a khadoos resting bitch face.
that I agree. Initially, you all thought like that, but it's not because of your surname.
No, but like I feel like because of the surname, a lot of times people think I'm not accessible. That I will not be. So because a lot of the like comments that I get from people are like, "Arey, but you're normal. You're just like us." And I'm like, "But how else to be?" Like
Because they expected na ki okay, Kapoor hai, thoda sa.
yeah. So attitude, I don't think hai. I don't think I have any kind of air or anything else about me. But I do feel like that could be a misconception because I've been told that like we didn't expect you to be approachable and things like that. So yeah.
But that's maybe because you have that, initially just like resting bitch face. Yeah, you meet people like, yeah, whatever. That slowly you get into your element. Like if some people spend some time with you, then they'll get to.
Yeah. Classic
So,
introvert. No,
Yeah,
no.
I agree. When did you realize you were actually the main character in your own life?
Oh, so for me, like being main character doesn't mean कि चिल्ला के बोलो कि मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. वो मुझसे नहीं हो पाता. But I think that the time that I would have started considering myself as main character energy or whatever is when I started consciously making decisions for me. What made me happy as opposed to doing this people-pleasing business.
People
Or
pleasing.
as opposed to hiding. So when I started being assertive, saying no to things I didn't want, or just making decisions that were about me, for me, I think that's when I realized that this is my life and I'm living it for myself. Like
Saying
I am the hero of
saying
my
no
life.
is also very important.
Very
That's
important.
what I've learned.
Yeah.
Because people pleaser, we just say yes to everything. Yeah.
You'll just be walked all over.
ये होता है, and then the other person takes you for granted, and it's not really friendship. if someone is there just taking advantage of you, I think saying no is also very important in a friendship also.
Having boundaries, but also having boundaries that are about you and not about somebody else.
Yeah.
And for somebody else. I think when I realized that I have to live my life for me on my terms, for what makes me happy and what I want to do, is when I guess I started considering myself as the main character.
Love it. What's something your younger self would be shocked you pulled off? ये करके दिखा दिया मैंने.
मैंने traitors कर दिया भाई.
I knew it. I knew this answer was coming. मैं बोलने वाली थी कि हाँ तुम traitors में.
Or just the fact that, like I was saying, I know that you wanted to keep it light and fluffy, but I'm not light and fluffy kind of person.
Oh, it's okay.
My younger self would honestly be like fucking shocked and surprised that I found a way to deal with grief.
Yeah.
Because she was not built in a way. She was too protected. She was too sheltered. And she had her mother for everything. She didn't know or have to do anything on her own. She never had to figure it out on her own without
Because her mom was there.
So when mom was not there, just having to figure out life without mom, I don't think my younger self would have thought I'm capable of doing it.
But now you know you're capable of anything.
Everyone is capable of it if you just have a little bit of self-belief, and that self-belief takes time to come.
Yeah, it takes time and a lot of work on yourself, which you did.
Yeah.
Let's talk more about future. What are you looking forward to next? Projects or anything in pipeline? We know Traitors is happening.
I'm looking forward to the day Ulfi returns my phone calls and messages.
I do that. I always do that. I didn't see it. I just didn't see it that day.
Honestly, like future ka pata nahi. Right now, the only future that we sort of know immediately is coming is Traitors, because we don't know what is coming. Once that arrives and hits, we'll figure it out. But I have a book that I have written that
Oh, wow.
I'm as anxious and nervous but eager about as
What the book is about?
It's a non-fiction book. So it's short essays about it's almost like Big Sister energy, giving you like life lessons of stuff that I
Okay, life lessons.
basically what I am.
But what is it called? What is the title?
We don't have a title of it yet. I've just submitted to my editor.
Don't bunk with Anshula. That should be the title.
Learn how to bunk with that.
And Anshula ko bunk karna aata nahi, so don't bunk with Anshula.
But yeah, so I guess the latter half of this year, I may have, if they like what has been written and if there are no rewrites to be done, then maybe this year there'll be a book coming out. There'll be Traitors coming out. And maybe this year there'll be some, on my personal front, I guess there'll be just some more like self-discoveries that I make about myself in a way that I'm chasing joy instead of chasing
Highs.
Yeah.
I like that. Chasing joys instead of chasing highs.
Yeah. Just like meaningful connections instead of anything else frivolous.
I'm on this journey actually. I'm trying. But I chase highs more than I chase connections or, meaningful things. I'm just like chasing highs. Ki ye kaam, this will give me a high, this will give me. I'm always constantly chasing that. But let's see. Hopefully, I learned something today from you. I have actually. I'm going to use it. It was amazing having you.
Thank you.
She came, she spilled, and she reminded us that strength doesn't always scream. Sometimes it just quietly wants the room. That's it. From childhood crushes to internet trolls, from grief to glowing up, Anshula Kapoor proved that being real is far more powerful than being perfect. Perfection is overrated, bitches. Yeah,
Perfect.
nothing. So here's to the girl who didn't take the spotlight. She redefined it. Thank you, Anshula, for being yourself and being such a good bunk partner. You were pretty good, I would say.
Thank you for teaching me how to bunk.
थोड़ा तो मैंने सिखाया.
अगर इतना मजा आता बंक करते तो हम शायद स्कूल में और कर लेते.
तुम तो नहीं करती तब भी यार. तुम नहीं करती. मेरे जैसी स्टूडेंट होती ना तुम्हारे क्लास में, तुम बोलती नहीं इस लड़की से दूर रहना, ये तुम सबको दूर रखती मुझसे. स्कूल में यस आई वुड हैव बीन अ फकिंग बैड इन्फ्लुएंस. तुम नहीं जा पाती है अपने कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी. यू आर अ स्टूडियस स्टूडेंट, यू नो कि रिपोर्ट कार्ड तो नेसेसरी है ना.
हाँ.
तुम्हें हर किसी चीज में A+ मिला है, तो अब देखते हैं मैं तुम्हें क्या रेट करती हूँ. मैं तुम्हें कितने मार्क्स देती है. This is your report card.
Oh my god.
So first category is energy and vibe. Energy and vibe were there, man. They were full on. I think I would rate it like 9.5 out of 10.
I'll take it.
Amazing.
95%. I'll take it.
Outfit was 10 on 10. I love the outfit.
Yeah.
I think it's very colorful. It's very cute. I would wear it.
Age by Mala.
Drama. You're not.
I'm not a drama. I'm not.
Not at all. There was no drama. जो कि drama था वो मैंने ही किया, तो I would just say 2 on 10.
I like it.
Drama में तुम fail हो गए. I'm sorry. Confidence 10 on 10.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you're very confident. The journey that you had from being an introvert child to now this confident woman who can speak so well, it's amazing. Confidence 10 on 10. Charm, yeah, you can charm anyone.
I just charm you because of who my brother is. There's no work needed.
Honestly, yeah, because of your brother, you get +2. So
Thanks. I'm a 12 on 10 in charm.
Trolling tolerance. Oh, I think now you've developed a thick skin.
Yeah.
Initially, it must be hard, but now I feel that you're okay. You're at a place that these things don't affect you. So I would rate you 9 on 10. The 10 on 10 तो किसी को दे ही नहीं सकते. Sometimes it just affects us. Red flag radar. I would actually, your red flag radar is very good. Because, yeah, that's why you didn't date anyone. और सीधे एक इतना green flag लड़का पकड़ लिया. It is amazing. So I think, yeah, it's 10 on 10. Love it. You scored amazing. इतना अच्छे scores किसी, by the way, guest को अब तक मिले नहीं हैं. You topped the class.
Yeah, top the class.
Top the class, yeah. That's it.
This should be the last episode, so there's nobody else who can come and talk to me, please.
Done. You're gonna do that. Until next time, keep your secrets hot and your drinks stronger. That's a wrap on this episode of Bunk with Urfi with Anshula. So if you've ever doubted yourself, let this be a reminder, you don't need to shrink to shine. This was Bunk with Urfi, जहाँ syllabus optional है, but class compulsory है.